Money flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. Today is a delightful day. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am fearless in letting money go out, knowing God is my immediate and endless supply. I spend money under direct inspiration wisely and fearlessly, knowing my supply is endless and immediate. My bank account is overflowing with money. An avalanche of money is coming my way. I am happily enjoying a lifestyle of luxury. I now live in a rich and loving universe. This is a rich universe, and there is plenty for all of us. I am now accumulating large sums of money. Money flows in my life. I always have more money coming in than going out. I am increasingly magnetic to money. I create money through joy, aliveness, and self-love. As I do what I love, money flows freely to me. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. My savings act as a magnet to draw more money. All the money I spend enriches society and comes back to me multiplied. All the money I spend and earn brings me joy. All my money is energy awaiting my command to create good in my life. All my money is working for me to increase my abundance, joy, and aliveness. My money is a source of good for myself and others. I feel good about all the money I spend. Money flows freely and abundantly into my life. A constant flow of money is coming to me from known and unknown sources. I feel good about money and deserve it in my life. I am thankful for the comfort and joy that money provides me. I release all my negative beliefs about money and invite wealth into my life. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Making money is good for me and for everyone in my life. My money is growing higher and higher now. Money is an important part of my life and is never away from me. I clearly see opportunities to effortlessly make money. Money always flows to me easily. I am magnetic to money, and it is magnetic to me. Money flows freely in my life. All the money I need is flowing to me. All of the money I could ever want is flowing to me now. I always have enough money. I have all of the money, time, talent, and energy to accomplish all that I desire. Money is coming to me every day. Money now comes to me in abundance in perfect ways. The more money I have, the more money I can use to help myself and others. The more money I have, the more money I have to give. Money is always circulating freely in my life, and there is always a surplus. Money flows to me like a waterfall. I welcome all the things money can buy. All my bills are paid with wonderful ease. I am passionate about building wealth. I give thanks that I am now rich, wealthy, and happy. I have the power to attract wealth. I receive money and wealth in unique ways. All resistance in me to receive more wealth has dissolved in total grace. Wealth and money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I create money and wealth, joy and happiness in my life. I am increasingly magnetic towards money and wealth. All the money I need is already waiting to reach me. I let go of all my fears about money. I let go of all my inhibitions about money. I spend money without fear. There is plenty of wealth in my life. Money is energy, and it flows freely through me now. All my blockages to receive money have now dissolved. Everything I need to generate wealth is available to me right now. I am wealthy right now. I am worthy of receiving more wealth. I love myself as a wealthy person. I am an abundantly wealthy person. Wealth flows to me. My positive affirmations bring me wealth and prosperity. My self-worth and net worth are increasing. Wealth floats around me continuously. I am passionate about building wealth. I give thanks that I am now rich, wealthy, and happy. I have the power to attract wealth. I receive money and wealth in unique ways. There is plenty of wealth in my life. All resistance in me to receive more wealth has dissolved in total grace. Wealth comes to me easily and effortlessly. My mind is open to the infinite supply of wealth. I allow wealth to follow freely and generously in my life. I attract ideal circumstances and opportunities to increase my net worth. I accept and embrace wealth in my life. I am skilled at creating assets that make me wealthy. I respect my abilities to generate wealth. I am living the life of my wealthy dreams. The universe has chosen me to be wealthy so that I can help others with my wealth. I believe anyone can be wealthy, and that includes me. I recognize and embrace wealth-building opportunities. Every day is a wealthy day. If others can be wealthy, so can I. I am always immersed in wealth. I am passionate about building wealth. I see myself as wealthy, and that's who I am. Wealth is my birthright, and I claim wealth for myself now. Through my power of intention, I effortlessly attract all the wealth I desire and need. Great wealth is flowing to me now. I create wealth easily and effortlessly. I dissolve all false messages around creating wealth. I believe anyone can be wealthy, and that includes me. I have a wealth of valuable skills and talents. My wealth situation improves every second of every day. I see myself as wealthy, and that's who I am. I choose wealth and abundance. My wealth derives from honesty in everything I do. Wealth is my birthright, my natural state of being. All my issues with wealth have disappeared. I am wealthy. Whatever I do, it always ends in amassing wealth. Every day, in every way, my wealth is increasing. I am gracious for the wealth I have in my life. Being wealthy gives me joy, happiness, and peace of mind. I realize that I can help others with my wealth, so I stay wealthy. I allow my passions to perpetuate good in the world through my wealth. Wealth is a positive expression of divine energy. I release all negativity around building wealth. I release all opposition to wealth. I have the wealth to be successful. I am prosperous, wealthy, and happy. I am easily attracting all the wealth that I desire into my life. Prosperity and abundance comes to me easily and effortlessly. It is easy for me to become prosperous. I am worthy to have abundance and prosperity. I am a magnet to prosperity and abundance. All the wealth I have brings me joy. I receive prosperity just by thinking luxuriously. I will always have more than enough wealth and prosperity. I am attracting financial prosperity. I am and will always be prosperous. I deserve to prosper. I know that the world is prosperous. It is so easy for me to open to prosperity. My net worth is always increasing. My wealth is increasing regularly, making me prosperous. The whole universe is conspiring to make me prosperous. I am thankful for the prosperity in my life. I am prosperous. Prosperity is my birthright. My life is prosperous. Prosperity is mine. I give generously to others and myself. I see prosperity everywhere. I attract prosperity like a powerful magnet. I give thanks for the prosperity which is mine. Wealth and prosperity are circulating in my life. My circumstances are changing and prosperity is flowing into my life. I create prosperity in my life. I notice prosperity all around me. Prosperity is mine and I choose to live it. I create prosperity easily and effortlessly. Prosperity is within me. Prosperity is around me. I enjoy my prosperity and share it freely with the world. All resistance to prosperity has dissolved in total grace. My prosperity is unlimited. My success is unlimited now. I was prosperous, am prosperous, and will always be prosperous. I always have whatever I need. The universe takes good care of me. My life is full of love and joy and all the material things that I need. Prosperity within me, prosperity around me. I allow all good things to come into my life and I enjoy them. I let go of all resistance to prosperity and it comes to me naturally. Prosperity surrounds me, prosperity fills me, and prosperity flows to me and through me. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. I move from poverty thinking to prosperity thinking, and my finances reflect this change. I now draw from the abundance of the spheres my immediate and endless supply. All channels are free. All doors are open. I now release the gold mine within me. I am linked with an endless golden stream of prosperity, which comes to me under grace in perfect ways. Prosperity of all kinds is drawn to me now. Compliments are gifts of prosperity, and I accept them graciously. Every day, I grow more financially prosperous. I have prosperity, and I attract it naturally. The whole universe and entire mankind is conspiring to make me prosperous and abundant. I deserve all good in my life, and that includes prosperity. My income is constantly increasing, and I prosper wherever I turn. I believe that I have the right to be prosperous and successful. I am abundant, healthy, and happy, and live in prosperous ways. I deserve to prosper in everything I do. It is so easy to open to prosperity. I can be prosperous. I was prosperous, am prosperous, and will always be prosperous. Every day in every way, I am becoming more and more prosperous. All resistance to prosperity dissolves away. Prosperity flows to me at all times, in all ways. I allow prosperity. My prosperity prospers others. I trust the universal spirit of prosperity to provide richly for me now. I accept prosperity and abundance into my life. My beliefs create my reality. I believe in my unlimited prosperity. My prosperity thoughts create my prosperous world. I speak of success and prosperity. My words uplift and inspire others. I give thanks that the prosperity that is mine by divine right now pours in and piles up under grace in perfect ways. My prosperity is unlimited. My success is unlimited now. Everything and everybody prospers me now, and I prosper everything and everybody now. I love the highest and best in all people, and now draw the highest, best, and most prosperous-minded people to me.